You want to lose weight? Do you not? I know exactly what you need. Let me tell you, I lost 8 pounds this week alone with intermittent fasting. I'm gonna show you step by step how I did it. Stand by. If this is your first time in this channel, hit the subscribe button. Stay there. I'm gonna show you.
Hey guys, this is Peter right here. Welcome back for a new video. This is very important. We're gonna talk about losing weight. I've lost 8 pounds in the past week. I started utilizing the 16-8 intermittent fasting. This method of fasting is one of the most popular, if not the best type of fasting. Proponents claim that it's an easy, convenient, and sustainable way to lose weight and improve overall health. Now, I want to be clear that you understand pretty much what the 16-8 really is and how to go about it. The 16-8 intermittent fasting involves limiting consumption of food and calories containing beverages to a set window of 8 hours per day and abstaining from food for the remaining 16 hours. Here is what I do every morning in order to start my day losing weight. I wake up early in the morning around 6 most of the time. I take a shower. Even if it's really hard to do, you should alternate between cold and warm water when you shower. You'll see how quickly it wakes you up. The cold shower increases the circulation in your body, which leads to a higher demands of oxygen. You automatically start breathing deeper despite fatigue. If you are not tired, of course you will more likely start your day with the gym during workout. And I usually meditate for 15 or 20 minutes, which helps you as well with a great day. I go straight to the gym where I work out for 1 hour and a half. Let me give you more details about my gym plan because this is very important. There at the gym, this is exactly where my fasting and my workout go hand in hand. In order to maximize my fat burning machine and everything else I do, most of my workouts are compound exercises. What is a compound exercise? A compound exercise is an exercise that involves multiple joints in multiple groups. For example, let's take the squat. It involves moving the knees, ankles, and hip joint and requires the whole body coordinated effort with the quadriceps, hamstring, and glutes bearing the brunt of the load. It's estimated that over 200 muscles are activated in the squat, but the primary muscle group trained is the quadriceps. Let's take, for example, the bench press. The primary muscle group trained is the chest, but all bench pressing also heavily involves the shoulder and triceps. Overhead press, you train the shoulder, but it also trains the triceps. And when performed standing, the back and the core are also worked out. The deadlift is the ultimate compound exercise because it involves just about every joint and major muscle group in your body. Pretty much every other muscle in your body assists in the movement. How about the pull-up? The primary muscle group is the back and the secondary muscle groups or the biceps and forearms. So the thing is, compound exercises bring compounded result. Yes, you burn more fat as a result. Right after weightlifting for 1 hour or so, 30 minutes of treadmill to top it all off for the day. Now, let's get back to the fasting matter. I've been asked many times, how can I spend so many hours without eating? Well, it's just a matter of getting used to it. The first days will be hard. Of course, hunger will try to make you break the fast, but stay hard. It's just a matter of, you get used to it and things will change over time. We all do fasting at times. Do we not spend 7 to 8 hours every day sleeping? We do fast. If you would like to start doing intermittent fasting, well, you start little by little. For example, you can do once or twice per week to every day now as you're getting used to it, depending on your personal preference as well. Here is my first meal. As you can see here, just some chicken breast with vegetables. It's pretty healthy. There is nothing here you can say that has a lot of calories. I'm having what can be called a calorie deficit as I am burning more fat during the day than I consume. According to Wikipedia, a calorie deficit is any shortage in the amount of calories consumed relative to the amount of calories required for maintenance of current body weight. You will lose weight. After my first meal, I stay with water only or green tea or red tea till 8 at night for my second little meal, which must be low in calories as well. Most of the time, morning, I have just a little plate of granola with yogurt. This is insanely healthy, my people. If you can do this method for a week, let alone a month, you'll notice and feel significant change in your body weight. You'll be healthier. You will have better lifestyle as you arrange what you eat, what you consume into your everyday life. If I can do it, you too can do it. This is how I've been losing weight. For the past 3 months, I've lost more than 35 pounds. You can do it too. I hope you take care of business. Peace.